We are FVC Philippines Incorporated, the leading manufacturer of superior industrial valves in the Philippines. Augmenting the operations of our mother company, Furukawa Kogyo Company Limited of Japan, our Philippine facility in Barrio San Antonio, San Pedro, Laguna, has etched its own esteemed name among industry leaders worldwide. The swinging 30s. July 1931, Kanjiro Furukawa founded the Furukawa Foundry at Nagoya City with a view to manufacturing cast iron castings. Then, suddenly, everything was wiped out. It was dreadful. The war destroyed everything that the founder, Mr. Kanjiro Furukawa, worked hard for. The two plants in Nagoya turned to ashes. Nothing was saved from the plant. And the people who worked for him, they did not only lose their livelihood, some even lost their lives. Building from the rubble, Hikone Chuko Company Limited resumed manufacturing cast iron products in 1946. After 4 years, a new factory in Hikone City started valves and cocks production. As if the war did no damage, Furukawa Kogyo Company Limited, a new production division, came into being in 1957, with its products being widely accepted all over Japan in the succeeding years. In 1994, Mr. Tadayoshi and Mrs. Masami Furukawa found a second home here in the Philippines as FVC Philippines Incorporated, which houses an administration building and 4 separate plants. The foundry, machining, assembly, and testing plants. Over the years, FVC has been revolutionized by its dynamic leaders and competent workforce. One strong backbone that has shaped the organization. Despite the passing of years, we remain guided by our long-standing vision to be the leader in the valve industry by manufacturing the best valve at the lowest cost. This we are committed to accomplish by employing the safest and most environmental friendly operations, conducting our business with utmost dignity and professionalism, recognizing the contribution of our employees, and delighting our customers with excellent service and shareholders with good financial return. And as professional development is hinged on personal growth, we have defined ourselves through what we as a company value most: service orientation, loyalty, integrity, professionalism, reliability. These are the metrics of excellence we strive to meet. These are the guiding principles we collectively embrace. Product superiority. This is the FVC standard. As nations depend on industries, so do industries rely on FVC valves, a diverse line that meets global needs and demands for quality and reliability. The NRS and OSNY gate valves are designed for full open or full close control. It is ideal for isolating pipeline segments and controls fluid flow so long as valve gates are not soaked or damaged due to prolonged throttling. The globe valve is a spherical cone-shaped valve ideal for frequent opening and closing. Lying parallel to the flowing line, throttles effectively by minimizing the cohesive filament phenomenon, which makes it suitable for systems that have no specific elevation and pressure requirement. The swing check valve allows free flow in one direction and restricts backflow in the opposite direction. This open-close motion is created by water flow and reverse pressure on the valve gate. The air pinch valve is an iron cast valve fitted with a special rubber pipe that allows or stops liquid flow when it opens or closes. This type of valve is the output of a joint research conducted by Furukawa Kogyo Company Limited and Kureha Rubber Industry Company Limited. The EP valve is a seawater valve, which stands for Electrolytic Corrosion Preventive Device that is attached to it. This patented FVC valve applies the electroanode principle. This valve only requires occasional anode and a sure replacement, thereby reducing large replacement costs of large quantities of seawater valves. The eccentric valve is a triple eccentric type with a rubber disc that completely adheres only when valve body seat is closed. It seals out fluid perfectly and was proven less abrasive as it passed a stringent 20,000 times open-close operation test. Combining art and science, FVC valves are cast only from high-grade raw materials, scientifically researched and rigorously inspected to guarantee product excellence. FVC cast iron valves are cast mainly from gray cast iron with metallic properties that strictly conform to ASTM A126 Class B requirements. Each valve is meticulously tested at various phases of production to ensure flow control of water, oil, and gas, which makes FVC cast iron valves the valves of choice. Heavy duty, strong as steel, FVC ductile iron valves are cast from specially treated cast iron fortified by its spheroidal graphite composition. The valve's ductile iron material meets ASTM A395 standards, mark of FVC ductile iron valves product excellence. Process is the strength of FVC austenitic ferrous cast ductile iron valves. Sand casting produces valves from the combined elements of cast iron, nickel, silicon, and chromium. The result? FCDA valves, which are iridescent on the outside, tougher and more resistant on the inside. Result of true product ingenuity. FVC Superior Valves. Products of distinction. A roster of pride. Aggressive and proactive, FVC Philippines has been meeting Japan's strict industrial standard. Our casting, machining, and assembly operations are ISO 9001-2000 certified, further attesting our operational excellence and product quality. Moreover, our environment, occupational health and safety management system has been ISO 14001-2004 and OSES 18001-1999 certified. Concerted efforts on emergency response, risk management, and operational safety minimized risks and created a heightened sense of awareness, a more vigilant workforce, thereby reaping substantial benefits for both employer and employees. Our process reflects our resolve. Our products speak of our reputation, achievements, contribution. We produce valves that improve machines. We drive industries that build nations. We don't wait for change to happen. We make change happen. We are FVC Philippines Incorporated.